In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file accessing permission in Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu, and choose Drive. When Drive loads, make sure you're in My Drive, which is your personal space for files and folders. Find the folder where you want to change access. Single-click to select it so it's highlighted. Keep in mind, changing a folder's permission generally applies to the items inside it, so choose the right folder before you proceed. With the folder selected, look for the three vertical dots, also called the More Actions menu, and click it. From that menu, click Share. A sharing panel will open. If you see a compact pop-up first, click Share again to open the full sharing settings. This is where you can review and adjust who can do what. You'll now see a list of people who currently have access to the folder. Next to each name, there's a small drop-down that shows their role. Click that drop-down to change their level of access. You have three clear choices. Viewer means the person can open and read files but can't change anything. Commenter allows viewing, plus comments and suggestions on supported file types without altering the original content. Editor grants full control to add, edit, move, or delete items in the folder, and in many cases to reshare with others. Choose Editor only for people you fully trust to manage the content. As you adjust each person's role, think about the minimum access they actually need. For example, external collaborators often only need Viewer, while teammates who are actively revising documents might need Commenter or Editor. This careful approach keeps your files safer and reduces accidental changes. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Done to apply your changes. Permissions update immediately, and anyone whose role you modified will now experience the folder according to the access you selected. That's it. You opened Drive from the Google Apps menu, went to My Drive, selected the right folder, used the More Actions menu to open Share, reviewed who had access, changed roles using the drop-down to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, and confirmed everything by clicking Done. Follow these steps anytime you need to tighten or expand access to a folder in Google Drive.